Hey everyone, welcome back to Colourful Indian. I hope that you are having a wonderful week. Today I want to get into Chic Beauty box. This will be the May-June box and I'm really excited to see what's inside. So we're going to open it and just unbox it right now. It's a smaller box and I can't wait to see. Wow. Okay, so already I'm pretty excited. They do send you a postcard that tells you, the prices of all the items. So I'm gonna let you know. I actually really appreciate that they tell you the value of the box as well. So you can get this box once every 2 months. That is the plan that they have. And I think it's actually nice because it gives you an opportunity to spend more time with the products that you're getting. And I've actually really liked the products that I've received from my Chic Beauty boxes so far. So what I have received is Cab Cosmetics Day and Night eyeshadow palette, $52. Okay, let's take a look at that. I've never heard of this brand. Ooh! Sorry, almost dropped the palette. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow palette. Let's take a look and see what it looks like inside. I mean, for $52 is quite a lot, personally for me, for a palette. So I'm very keen to see what this looks like. And it is a day and night palette, so I'm assuming that it'll have neutrals and then some deeper tones. Oh, okay. So this is the day to night palette. You can definitely see that it's got grungier tones over here, so I can assume that these are the night tones and these are the day tones. I kind of like the fact that it's got those pops of pink, and you can see there's mauves and even, some shades heading towards red. So it is quite a lovely palette. So you're getting 18 shades in here. And this palette is valued at $52. Okay, so the next one is Ofra Cosmetics. Oh, I'm so excited. I love Ofra. Okay, this one is $35. It is called X's and Glows. Let's open this up and see. I actually love Ofra, so I'm so excited about this. Oh, wow. Look at this. This highlighter is beautiful. Look at this. Oh my goodness, I love this. What a stunning highlighter. I really love the textures of Ofra highlighters. They're just so freaking gorgeous. Truly they are. Okay. I'm actually excited about this box. Two products that are looking so good right now. Okay, next we have Beauty for Certain, which is a matte liquid lipstick. I have received products from this brand before. This is $22, and we're going to just open and take a look at the shade. Oh, okay, so I'm not 100% happy with this shade because it kind of looks like it literally looks like a skin tone to me. I know for a fact this is not. Look at that. It's so much lighter, so I think if I just wore this on its own, it's probably not going to flatter me very much. So I'm not too excited about that one. Let's see what else we have. So we have two Suva Beauty products. So I have a Hydra liner. This is worth $16. I'm just opening it up. I think it's like a split liner because it is. So it's got this was the packaging. It was pink and orange, and inside was pink and orange. So that looks pretty nice. So this is basically a water activated liner. I haven't really been using water activated liners in a while, but I do know that Suva is a good company, and I've seen their products before and they've gotten rave reviews. And I've also gotten a liner brush. So that looks pretty good to me. I think that what we can do is a quick look, and then I can give you some feedback on, the products that I've used. I don't know if I'm going to be using all of them, but I'm certainly going to be using that highlighter and the eyeshadow palette. So let's get right into that. Okay, so the first shade I'm going in with is Cocoa, which is a very nice warm brown. Taking some of that and I'm just putting it on my lid. And I have basically put my NYX base already. I'm not going to be doing a white base this time because I kind of just want to have a kind of everyday look, because this palette, is a day and night eyeshadow palette. So it should be able to perform if I'm in a hurry or if I'm just trying to get out of a place really fast and I just need to do quick makeup. So you can see that it's pretty pigmented. I kind of like the way this is working. This is very nice. Very, very, very nice. And it's kind of showing up as a bit like a reddish kind of brown on my skin tone. You can see what that looks like, but I kind of like it. The next color that I want to go in with will be, I think, Naked. It's a lighter kind of like white shade almost, but I don't know how it's going to show up on my skin tone. So you can see that I'm going to use that in the inner corners of my eye just to kind of brighten that up. And I am using the same brush that I used just now, just kind of taking it down. You can see what that's looking like. It's not a bad shade, not at all. Kind of blends in with my skin over there actually. Okay, so yeah, you can see what that looks like. We're gonna go in with the next matte after this. I'm just adding the same shade onto my lids, and I think I'm gonna just blend that out too because I don't really want harsh edges for this look. I'm just gonna take that shade and blend this out here too because I, like I said, don't want the harsh edges, and I'm going in for a very simple look this time. So far I'm really liking it. It definitely looks like a very everyday kind of palette. Okay, what can I go in for next? I think I'm gonna go in for Dusk. It looks like this really pretty deep kind of brown shimmer, and I'm gonna put a bit of that right over here. Oh, look at that color. That is so pretty. So pretty, and it matches so well with Cocoa. I really like this. Gosh, that's gorgeous. Going in for the next one. And I think the last shade that I want to use is going to be like a lighter shimmer right over here in the inner corners just to kind of brighten up the look. You know, when I'm in a rush, I generally don't actually put on a ton of makeup, so when I'm in a rush, I don't really put on a lot of makeup. I just tend to slap on whatever is really there. I think I'm gonna go in for Golden Hour. That kind of looks like the lightest possible shade that I can use because the other light shades are not, they're not shimmer shades, and I do want to have like a shimmer right here. Oh wow, that's just gorgeous, and it's blending so beautifully with the other one. I think I may have gone a bit too inside for that one, so I'll have to add a bit more of that. But oh wow, just look at that. It's so pretty. This is such a neutral such a pretty neutral palette. I know normally I complain about neutral palettes, but I kind of really like the way this is working. It's enabling me to create a very simple look that I can just, you know, quickly throw on and then go outside with. Okay, so I'm adding on that highlighter here too. Kind of looks really shiny the way it's like reflecting the light. It's really pretty. I'm just taking it up. So generally the way I apply highlighter is to look for where the light is kind of reflecting off my face, and then I follow with my brush. I know that my nose always generally is highlighted, and then I like to put a bit down here, so I'm doing that. Alright, so this is the finished look. Using two of the products from the box, I decided to kind of go in for a very beach, summer kind of neutral look, and I definitely added that blue in there because, as you know, I'm Colourful Indian and I love pops of color. So I basically went in with these eye pencils, which I purchased from Temu, and they were like 79 cents, and you can see how vibrant the color is. It looks absolutely amazing, and I can't believe that pencils like this are 79 cents. If you want to get, you know, anything from Temu, do use my code because you will get 30% off. And let me go into the Ofra highlighter. It's obviously incredible. Ofra has always been amazing whenever I've tried, you know, their highlighters, their lipsticks, whatever it is. I just love their products so much. So this particular, you know, Chic Beauty box for me, even though I did not try 3 of the products, right? Because I didn't want to try Suva, but I know Suva is good. And I didn't really like the lipstick, but I actually really thought this was a wonderful box. Mostly because of the highlighter and the palette. I'm so happy with those two, and I'm actually really grateful for the Suva as well. So I do consider this box to be a success. I actually may even like this box a bit more than my IPSY and my Boxycharm this month, just because of the fact that it had eyeshadow in it, and generally that's what I'm drawn to, and I just couldn't get over the fact that I got that gorgeous Ofra highlighter. So obviously with the palette I only used 4 shades, but you can see how pretty it is, and you just throw on the eyeliner, and I love that it matches my skin tone so well. I love that the highlighter just went and added that boom, you know, like that shadow. I just love that it added that gorgeous highlight to my face, and I put it in the corners of my eyes and everything. I feel like it's really brightened it up. So all in all, I kind of really love the new Chic Beauty box. I think it's amazing. If you want to go and sign up for this box, I would highly recommend it, because I'm just having so much fun with these boxes. And before I go, let me just give you a couple more of the makeup details. So I went in with 2 shades from Juvia's Place. I used the shade Cocoa, which is a very, very deep brown, and I went into the inner, like this is two-toned makeup, so I used the Toffee shade. Toffee is probably one of my favorite lipsticks ever from Juvia's Place. Like, it just looks amazing, like on any brown skin tone. It is so, so pretty. And Cocoa is like a very deep kind of chocolatey brown with a hint of red in it, and whenever I use that, I just love adding Toffee because I feel like it gives it a more natural kind of transition of color, as you can see, because my mouth is two-toned, so I love doing that. And I did tell you about the eyeliner. I basically went in with my Maybelline gel liner. It comes in a pot, and you just use, like, you know, the brush that comes with it, and then you draw the liner, and you can see how stunning that is. Like, I haven't used my gel liner in forever, and I'm actually wondering like why I haven't, because look at that, how beautiful that looks incredible. And for my foundation, I went in with Nehal & Co. This is a brand new, you know, foundation brand that I'm trying out, and I've been having quite a bit of fun with it. So stay tuned for that video, or it may already be out. Like, I will link it here so that you can go and check that out if you want. The foundation was amazing. Like, look at it. It's got such a wonderful dewy finish, and I feel like it just matches my skin tone really, really well. So yeah, I think that's about it. I will see you very soon for another video. I hope that you found it helpful, and you know, if you'd like to check out other makeup subscription boxes, be sure to check out the playlist that is coming up. That is the IPSY and Boxycharm playlist, and I will see you here very soon with a new video. Until then, be safe and have a lovely week. Bye.